Between 80,000 and 100,000 million garments are manufactured worldwide every year, of which 40% of the clothes never get to be used, let alone recycled.
Hi, my name is Ashley Bautista and I would like to tell you why we are here. I have always been passionate about fashion.
But I am deeply concerned about the direction that this industry is taking as one of the most polluting industries in the world. I decided that I do not want to be part of this.
So I started to create a proposition that provides a viable solution in order to reduce the environmental footprint caused by the constant and excessive clothing waste.
I named this project ach.mas.
However, I know that permanent change is achieved by building community. Therefore, I created a multidisciplinary team which adds value to my knowledge as a designer.
This team is made up by 2 environmental engineers who complement and enrich this project.
We know that consumption is necessary for our social and personal development.
This is why we aim to make the most of existing textile materials to extend their useful life. At ach.mas, cloths are collected by means of donations, divided into 3 categories. The first one, cloths that are used for the brand. The second, cloths in good condition donated to a non-profit association to be designated to people of limited resources. And third, cloths taken to a textile shredding center to be turned into raw material for other industries. This allows a total use of the donations we receive.
Selected clothes for the brand go through a process of
Design, pattern making, and tailoring to create new garments.
In order to level up the authenticity of these pieces,
We intend to collaborate with rising artists, capturing their artworks in our designs. This is how ach.mas becomes a space where everyone can join to work together, building a solidarity network that promotes environmental care.
Our project meets 3 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
1. Responsible consumption and production, since life cycle of garments is extended. 2. Partnerships for the goals, creating support networks between recycling centers, non-profit associations, artists, and donors. And 3. Gender equality, due to the fact that all our clothes are androgynous. Likewise, we hope to fulfill a 4th objective, decent work and economic growth.
We are aware that the world is shifting its course to a more mindful consumption. That is why we intend to make trend evaluations to identify our customer preferences, assuring their acceptance.
Our market is mainly focused on young people between 18 and 28 years old interested in environmental care. Additionally, we want to include all body types and physiques without exception, being an inclusive brand able to adapt to your needs.
If everyone doubled the useful life of a garment, greenhouse gas emissions will be reduced by up to 44%.
So we want to be a space where everyone can participate and collaborate in this recycling and total use of the existing materials initiative.
If we could win the whole prize 2023, we could enhance and extend
The optimization of our selection, production, and distribution processes towards an even more sustainable path. We would like to be a community that promotes social and environmental growth through fair wages and dignified work, aspiring to become a certified B Corporation in the future. We know that there is still much to do, but with the necessary knowledge, personnel, team, and resources, we would be able to progress.
having said all of the above, we want to prove that fashion can take a more sustainable, fair, and friendly path that strengthens the socio-environmental connection. We must seek a different way of doing things. Commitments and actions must be included in order to make a change together. Thank you very much.